This is a video tutorial of how to set up Geo network in a smartphone. Different devices have their own device-specific support system to choose a network or opting for LTE or 4G in the settings. First, let's have a look at the setting up of volte 7 smartphone for a Geo network. To start with, insert your Geo SIM in SIM slot 1 of your mobile handset. Now, tap on Settings. Next, tap on Cellular Networks. Then tap on SIM1 tab. Tap on Preferred Network Type. At the end, tap on GSM, WCDMA or LTE depending on the device you are using. Keep your data roaming on for SIM slot 1. Please do not forget to keep your data on for SIM slot 1 if you are using a dual SIM mobile handset. Your handset is now connected to Geo network and ready for use. Enjoy seamless Geo services on the go. Now let's have a look at the setting up of Flame 3 smartphone for Geo network. Now tap on Settings. Next, tap on SIM cards. Then scroll down to tap on Select Primary Card. Now select the primary card as Geo 4G. Then you need to tap on the back arrow and tap on More. And select Cellular Networks. Now tap on Geo 4G and select the network mode to LTE, WCDMA, GSM, Auto. At the end, ensure your data roaming is on and tap on OK. Your handset is now connected to Geo network and ready for use. If you are using any other smartphone device, just ensure to keep your Geo SIM in SIM slot 1. Mobile network mode selection to LTE or 4G. And data active on SIM slot 1 to enjoy seamless service. Thank you for watching.